Welcome to Hollywood.
Whoa! Your favorite celebrities and family members. Let's go!
If we lose, I'm gonna kill her.
Battle it out in the kitchen.
The Big Kahuna Burger from Pulp Fiction is iconic.
It's popping and it's hot.
Catch, 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 catch! I can sense the competition going already.
What'd you guys make?
The winning meal.
That's shade.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I tend to stress eat.
Is there anything on that bread?
Olive oil.
And love.
Very liquidy.
I call it moist.
Something hard in here, and I don't know what it is.
When the stars come
I'm
out,
gonna throw up. Can I have gloves?
the kitchen
I'm keeping the bar really low, so we can only go up.
heats up.
3, 2, 1.
That is time.
Celebrity Family Food Battle. Series premiere Wednesday at 9 on Flavour Network. Stream on STACKTV and the Global TV app.